Hey guys, we are Greg and Jess. We are Drifter Journey. Thanks for joining us for another episode in Alaska. We went from Baja to Alaska this summer and we are currently in Whittier. So we're going to show you what this town has to offer. Aside from all of the mosquitoes and flies, we're probably going to do
some glacier cruising,
yep.
Eat some fish and chips maybe.
Probably peruse the forest for some berries.
Do a little foraging.
Find some great camping.
Free camping.
We'll see what else we get into.
Yeah, so enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Please comment also, because we'd love to hear from you. For all of our subscribers that watch because they like to see me eat ice cream, we're probably not going to have ice cream tonight because we've been having it a whole lot lately. But I will let you know that Whittier is an ice cream town.
Yeah. Because
it sounds like they have 4 ice cream shops.
Yeah.
And 1 real restaurant. So, yeah, if you need ice cream, this might be the place to be.
I can see birds flying.
What we get?
I see
egg rolls, cod, and chips.
Where was the other place we really liked them?
In Homer.
We might go back to Homer.
Yeah, the ones in Homer were legit.
We haven't tried it yet.
No.
Yeah. Can't judge a book by its cover. But the fries aren't selling me for good luck. Egg rolls are legit.
Yeah. They were really good.
Didn't get to try fish and chips yet because I burnt myself. Got a bum knee. Wife says my feet smell. She's helping me out though.
Yeah.
That's what people say love is. Scrubbing my feet for me.
Somewhat self-serving though, because when we lay down and watch TV, he likes to put his feet over by the piece of blanket where my face goes at night, so.
To be fair, I have to sit on an angle because I'm too tall. And I clean as much as I can. I am not just making her wipe my feet completely. But my right knee is pretty banged up, so I can't really get that foot as good right now.
That's what happens when you try to skate or die.
Yeah, that was from my skate or die. Oh, we got some clips, you got to see that, so. It made my knee swell up.
Good morning. So despite yesterday's beautiful weather, last night some clouds came in and it rained a little bit last night and we can't even see the glacier across the bay anymore this morning. We stayed in the same campsite last night as we had the night before. So we had one more thing we wanted to do here in Whittier, which was a Portage Pass hike. And you go up this pass, and supposedly at the top of this pass there's a really good view of the Portage Glacier. There's really no point in doing it if it's so socked in that you can't see anything. So we're going to head over to the trailhead and take a look. And it's supposed to clear up later today. The clouds are lifting. So maybe in a couple hours it'll be clear enough to do the hike, and then we'll head out of Whittier. But for now, we're just gonna
I'm working. We're gonna keep working
and kill some time and see if these clouds actually go away like they're supposed to. One of the most prominent buildings in Whittier is a 6-story concrete structure that has been abandoned for over 50 years. During the Cold War, Whittier was identified as a perfect place to defend Alaska, and a military base was built. The bay around Whittier has deep water that stays ice-free year-round and has almost constant cloud cover to protect the base from airstrikes. To top it off, Whittier has one of the 2 all-weather railroad ports that supplied Anchorage with military supplies. The Buckner building was built to house 1,000 soldiers and was called a city under one roof. It included a small hospital, a 6-cell jail, a theater, bowling alley, church, bakery, barber shop, library, rifle range, a huge cafeteria and kitchen, along with the rooms and officers' lounge. By the 1960s, the military was having a hard time finding uses for it, and in 1964, the building was damaged by a large earthquake that hit the region. It was officially abandoned and now sits empty. What are we doing?
Going berry picking.
So we found this camp in Whittier. We'll give you guys a tour of that later. But right off of the campsite is a trail where we saw a bunch of people coming back with buckets. And they said that there's berries out here. And we're big on foraging. Oh, there's blueberries right there.
Yeah, those are too close to trail. Those are pea berries, as I call them.
Greg doesn't like
trail
to
side
pick
berries are no bueno.
berries in the pea zone, he calls it. So we're going to go on a little post-dinner.
Look at that. That's why we don't pick them right here.
Yeah, that is gross.
Toilet paper.
Yeah, so no trail side berries.
Ooh, there is
Anyways,
a stream down here, it sounds like.
We're looking for salmon berries and blueberries. And Greg doesn't really like salmon berries, but I'll probably pick some anyways if we find them.
And the glacier looks freaking amazing.
I don't know if you can see it through the trees right there. Pretty cool. That's the Billings Glacier. How's it? You having fun yet?
Yeah.
We got distracted by blueberries, but we're getting back on the trail. Salmon berries.
I think there's 2 of them back there.
Okay. Oh, I see a good one, babe. Ooh.
Bear poop.
Got some bear poop.
Looks like he's eating the same stuff we are.
Yeah. That's not as big as the pile we saw the other day on the trail.
No, not even close. Got a freshy pile of bear poop here. Still pretty squishy. There's a bunch of flies on it. Based off of the shape, I think he's going that way.
We'll be bear aware. Look at that harvest.
Doing good.
Doing good.
It's a little after 9 o'clock in the evening. And the mosquitoes are getting fierce. We've made it to a pretty good end of the trail and got quite a few berries. We are going to head back to camp for the evening, but I'll show you what the end of the trail had in store.
We are back from berry picking, and we're going to show you guys tonight's campsite, which we're actually pretty stoked on. It's actually just a parking lot at the end of a road, technically like a day use picnic area / trailhead, but this is the view. Good morning. We are doing something that we don't normally do today, which is
Boat cruise.
we're doing a tour. It's pretty loud and hustling and bustling here in Whittier this morning. We had to pay for parking.
Big line.
And we are walking to where the cruise takes out. It looks like a busy place, so we didn't reserve tickets. I called last night. She said it should be fine. So hopefully that's true.
Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive. The salty breeze in my lungs. And back to where I'm from. The salty breeze in my lungs. On and on and on and on. salty breeze and the waves, the slower pace, the salty breeze and the waves.
Want to give a update?
We're in Esther Pass. Passage.
Right?
The narrowest portion of our cruise.
The narrow channel.
We're going at about half speed right now, so there's less wind in our hair, and we can get pictures.
We've only seen birds and otters so far. We saw lots of glaciers.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
Uh huh.
How was lunch?
That chowder was good. It was pretty good. Although you can't buy more.
I want to live in an arbor town, like to see the boats leaving at the break of dawn. I want to live in an arbor town, surrounded by the sea my art is free. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves.
We're almost back to Whittier. Our cruise is almost over. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
It was good.
Did you like it?
Yeah. We saw a lot of glaciers. So
About
I'd say
50.
that was a
I think you
success.
said that already earlier.
Yeah. Really good weather even though it's cold, but we got to see everything. So the Capitan said that that is an exceptionally good weather day today.
So you're in the furthest north rainforest.
Right.
Just saying the world. I'm going in the world.
Yep.
Alright, we made it back to the van. And I'm a little tired. That was a long time on a boat.
Yeah.
But then a 40-foot tsunami rolled through town in the 1964?
Yeah, there was a 9.2 scale earthquake.
Highest recorded ever in North American history.
Yeah, largest earthquake in North America apparently, ever.
And yeah, it sent a 40-foot tsunami here and a 100-foot tsunami to this other island. And it pretty much trashed the whole downtown here.
Yeah.
So, it's rebuilt. Hopefully we don't get one of those tonight. Riding dirty. Get me riding dirty. How am I doing?
Good.
Oh, yeah.
We're on the trail.
Ah.
We waited out the clouds. They cleared like the weather report said, which is a minor miracle.
Quite.
And we've got a mile hike up to the top of the pass. We can hike back down the other side to get down to the lake shore if we want, but we'll see how we feel when we get there.
Yeah.
Okay, we made it to the top of Portage Pass at 800 feet. It's pretty crowded up here, and we don't actually have that great of a view of the glacier. It's over there. So, but it's pretty cool. There's some really nice benches, the green terraced rocks over there are really pretty. I don't know what glacier that is, but we're probably gonna try to find a better viewpoint after Greg gets some drone footage.
Where's you going to take me?
We got distracted. Found some salmon berries on the trail. And these ones
Oh, good.
really good.
There's a bunch.
There's a bunch. Just show me a handful. Nice. Oh, you were collecting yours.
I sure was.
You didn't ate mine along the way.
I was gonna share.
No, you told me to eat mine. You said we weren't saving them.
Could get bad.
Yeah, it looks kind of steep too.
Yeah, trying not to fall down this hillside. We're trying to make the next tunnel. The train's going, which creates a tunnel delay, so we might be in good shape. If not, we're just practicing our trail running. Seven o'clock on the dot. Now whether or not it's too backed up to make it through or not. Okay guys, that wraps up Whittier, Alaska. We had a great time here.
Yep.
Berry picking, glacier watching,
Yeah.
and cruising.
Fun place. We highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. We really appreciate your support, and your guys' comments and likes just elevate our videos for other people to see.
I think we're heading to Hope. Stay tuned.